In this video, I will show you what you can do if the remote is not working anymore on your Amazon Fire TV. And this can have many reasons. And the first reason can be that the batteries have no power anymore and you need to change them. And what you have to do, you just turn around your remote and then you open this, and here you can see the batteries, and maybe changing the batteries will help. But if this wouldn't help, there's another option you can do, and you can restart the Amazon Fire TV stick, because sometimes it's not the remote, it's your Fire TV that has a problem. And to do that, you just click here on settings. Then we're gonna click on My Fire TV. And now you have this restart option right here. You're just gonna click on that, and then your whole Fire TV restarts. Another problem can be when you're too far away from your TV, then the connection can be lost, but I think for most people that's not the case. So restarting the TV can help, and changing the batteries. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.